No wonder my power's not getting back on. They ain't gonna get it on from here. I've been out of power since 8:30 yesterday morning. It's now 1:41 the next day in the afternoon. But this is why nothing's getting put back on. They're all sitting here. Get up to Dummerston. I just came by Route 30. There's a pole with a transformer on it laying in the parking lot of the Irving Route 30 gas station store. That's why I don't have power. Oh yeah, they're eating lunch. I guess they deserve lunch. But let's get it going, boys. Let's get it going. We need power. There's also about a dozen trucks at the brewery on Route 30 when I went by. They must be taking lunch there. Hopefully they're headed up to Dummerston.